Hello Cakenistas, it is Marisha and I am back with another cake tale. As usual, I have my tea. Don't forget your tea with your lemon juice or some type of citrus to kick any nasty virus that is lingering within your system right around here. Just kick it out. First here I started off with the oolong tea and then I switched over to the white tea. I just didn't feel like taking the oolong out, you know? And then I added the white and then I added lemon juice and a couple packs of stevia. This is a party right now, you know? Kick out the rawness. I also have a Lily salted caramel milk chocolate bar in case I feel like So this story is very annoying. Another very annoying story. This was back in the day when I first started my YouTube channel. See, this replaced that one because that one got hacked. I was like a good year into my YouTube channel. I was still in culinary school and I was still taking my pastry arts classes and still having a funky good old time, right? And back then, 92.6 of my videos had my mom in them.
Welcome to another DIY with Marisha's Couture Cakes. It's Marisha, I'm over here.
This is her mom, I'm over here.
So I would just come up with a cool little cupcake design usually, and we would just do them together. I don't think I look good with hoop earrings anymore. Oh, I would come up with a cupcake and we would just sit across from each other. We both do the cupcake. The quality was bad, you know, but it was a lot of fun. And there are still a lot of videos that are on this channel from that channel. So I didn't take everything along to this one, but I brought a lot. Taking you back to a beautiful autumn day. I was like, mamacita, let's do pumpkin cupcakes. I'll come up with a pumpkin cake recipe and then we'll just decorate it, make it look like cute little pumpkins.
You're just going to hold it up here and squeeze. That's it. Okay, that's a tiny pumpkin. That's a baby pumpkin.
So we filmed the video. It was really cute. I just loved it. At the time, I was reading a lot about wire in cakes. Felt like a trending topic back then. Like, should you put wire in your cakes? There's ways to do it and then there's ways to like not necessarily do it. I went to my local craft store. I got like this gold wire.
I've got this gold wire. Gonna cut a little piece of this gold wire off. I'm just gonna wrap it around my finger to create a little spiral.
And it said that it was a non-toxic wire. So I was like, mommy, we'll just like wrap it around our finger. We can use this as a stem. It'll be gorgeous.
This is definitely optional, but you could just stick it in to add some more personality.
Hopefully people know to take the wire out of the cupcake. I'm just throwing out an idea. You don't have to do exactly what I do. I got really good feedback from it. People thought that it was super adorable. It was such a cute cupcake. Actually, we did two different styles. One of them was really quite scary looking.
Pumpkin's pointing at me.
It's like, you.
You're like sugar finger. Like your gold finger.
These are for the kids, and these are for the
Adults.
Yeah.
I get all this love on that video, and then I get this one lady. And I'm gonna call her Meddling Mandy. So Meddling Mandy actually commented on the video and she was highly perturbed. How dare you, Marisha?
That was the most irresponsible thing that you could have done. How dare you put wire in your cupcakes? You are telling all of these people out here that it is okay to put wire in your cakes.
Meddling Mandy. I just feel like you would maybe if you actually wanted to, like if it was me, if I wanted to serve my cupcakes that way, I would sit them out with a pretty little wire and I would, oh, you like a cupcake, little baby? Here you go. Take the wire out. Bye-bye. Now, you could have made mention to the fact that there could still be some type of toxin within the wire that could have leaked out. Which honestly, I just feel like, look, most of these people out here are eating box cake mixes, which has so many aluminums and metallicas going on. If you thought you were okay, you're not. Oh man, Mandy got my throat. So basically, she demanded that I take down the video.
I demand that you take down this video or else I'm going to report it and I'm going to get it taken down.
And my whole question was, who's it gonna be, little Mandy? Who you gonna get to report me? Oh, Mandy, who you gonna call? The Mandy's taking the fall. I just felt like she thought she was like the YouTube cake decorating police. Meddling Monday. I ignored it because you know why? I can't stand when people have 1,001 love comments and all they do is maybe like the comments and then they respond to that one person who's trying to tell them off. Where are your priorities? No, mine are to the 1,000 that are showing me love. I don't care about. You cannot please everybody. You have to focus on the ones that you are pleasing. So that's where my head is at. This is quite delicious. It was also really bothersome. I was like 21. I remember feeling like, why are you like trying to attack me, lady? You're like a whole grown lady. It's just weird to me. And she even said that. She's like, I know you're young, but that's no excuse. You know, and I just feel like it's all in your delivery. There's been more than one time where someone has corrected me in the comment section or someone's given me a tip, and that's exactly what we're all here for. I'm throwing out tips. You could throw tips right back at me. But for you to just start coming and telling me I need to just get off of YouTube, girl, because you ain't doing it, baby. I'm gonna send all the cake decorators of the YouTube to just come after you and just take you down and throw you to the ground. I'm meddling Monday. I took her advice, thought about it, said okay, I'll write a little disclaimer. There are ways to get around that whole wire situation that you won't have to worry about. It's the floral wire, what people usually make the gum paste flowers out of. Wrap that up in that floral wire tape. And that pretty much protects it. And if you did want to put wire in your cake, you probably want to wrap that little bit of wire that goes into the cake. I originally bought that wire because I had to make shooting stars coming out of a cake. As long as you can see it and it's like an obvious, oh, don't eat that because I just might choke. As long as it's obvious, that's fine. I'm on my fan page, minding my business again. And how about she finds the picture of those cupcakes and she writes me about a 2-paragraph college essay on why I'm horrible and I shouldn't have the responsibility. I just need to delete.
Just delete your channel. Get off of YouTube. Just go. We don't need you. We don't need people who are gonna sit here and tell innocent adults and babies to eat wire.
Now that's not to say that that doesn't happen, but goodness gracious, why would you serve the baby the cupcake with the wire before taking it out yourself? You see how it goes from a little wire and a cute cupcake to now I am telling people and babies, just eat the wire, baby. Just eat the wire. Just do it. And this is why I mind my business, but it doesn't really seem to matter. I ignored her then too. So I am on my blog, marishascouturecakes.com. I just so happened to look into the comments. I see a preview of the comments and I was like, oh my goodness, somebody wrote something really thorough. Like that's a real person right there. Let me check that out. Oh, it's on the pumpkin cupcakes video. Meddling Monday, oh, where did you go? Remember how Aaliyah wrote a 4-page letter? That's what Mandy did also. Marisha, I'm not going anywhere. How dare you put wires in this cake? To all who are reading this, this is a disgrace. Look at what she did to those cupcakes. She's trying to kill people out here. You cannot go spreading false narratives and false information on how to make your cupcakes. How dare you put wire? I just feel like she was typing with her eyes closed. How dare you put wire in the cakes, Marisha? How dare you? Get off of YouTube. Just shut your website down. Just go. She demanded that I delete that blog post. She just demanded. Why do people feel so entitled to demand things that have nothing to do with them? I don't know. I guess it's a meddling Mandy thing. You know what? And just like she stalked me, because when people go that far to look me up, I feel like I need some leverage on them also. So of course, yes. Mandy was a whole mother in her 40s of 4. Which one of your children, or how many of them, are you denying love and attention to come and make sure that you write me? You are ignoring a child right now. Who needs you? I don't need you. I got my mama. I just felt like your priorities are twisted, little meddling Mandy. Could have shared your opinion. I would have given you my thank you so much for sharing. I'll make sure to write something in the description. But no, she got blocked on everything. Of course. She really thought she was like invincible or something. It was weird. Like, she's like, I'm not going anywhere. You can't get rid of me, Marisha. I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna keep on writing you until you delete these posts. And then I just blocked her and I hadn't heard from her since. But when I did make the new channel, I didn't upload that video. A part of me said, I just don't know if I'm gonna have a few more meddling Mandys. It was such bad quality. A lot of those old videos, I just said, well, I'll just redo them with my mom. So that's something that maybe we'll redo this fall. I can't stand meddling Mandys, and they'll get blocked in a heartbeat. You get it while I was meddling Mandy, because I had to do with metal, and she was also meddling into my life. So that was that cake tale. If you like this cake tale, then you will love the other ones that I have, and I have more coming up. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and press on the notification bell. Check down in the description for my cake tales playlist. Just grab some hot tea, grab a little snack, and just have a good time binge watching. See y'all in the next video. Bye, Cake Nistas.